Hey guys, do you need discount to buy any product from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and Myntra? Then this super cool website you must try it. Are you worried about is your product really reducing price of the products? Then it will be useful for all festival offers and also for big billing days. I have one solution solve your all problems. Now go to pricebefore.com. I will help you to track all prices of the product from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and Myntra. To track the product you are buying, first go to Amazon. Then search the product you need. Then copy the URL of that product. Then paste it in Price Before website. Here you will see all the details of the product. Then you can see the highest price, lowest price, and discounted price. You can search any product, but the correct link should be pasted. Thank you.